Right. Right, Lama, we'll start today session. Last day, I think last day we discussed first paper. First paper of this paper. Okay. Last day we discussed first paper of this paper. Today we need to discuss second paper. I think last day I informed you to do at least question number 1. Is it right? Ramesh, I think I informed you to do question number 1, last day?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Right. And then students, I told you to adjust this rent expense. I told you to adjust the rent expense as salary. Monthly salary. Monthly salary. Okay, last day I informed you to adjust this rent expense as salary. Monthly salary. Monthly salary. Okay, right. 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 Then Apsara, did you complete this first part?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Girishma, done that. First part, first question. Lakdev, did you complete first part, first question?
Yes, sir.
Sanjani, did you complete first question, second paper? Shanaya, did you complete Shanaya?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Isatna, did you complete first question? Sonal, did you complete first question? Sonal. Sonal, first question कर देना है Sonal. Right, right. Anyway, right. Now when I ask you to send me answers, you will send me answers, huh? When I ask you to send me answers, you will send me answers. Right. Anyway, we discuss first question. Make it. Right. Look at the question.
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Right. It's our first question. Right, Lama here. Using the following case, answer the question 1 to 10. Prathan has successfully completed the course regarding repairing air conditioned machines because he has not obtained a university entrance after his A-level. Right. He has successfully completed a course regarding repairing air conditioning machine. And then he started an air conditioning repairing business on 1st January 2018 by renting out a small shop on monthly rent 5,000 basis. On monthly rent 5,000 basis. Okay, 1st January 2018, he started his own air conditioning repairing business. Okay, shop rent, monthly shop rent is 5,000. Monthly shop rent is 5,000. And then And then here, Ratan has advertised in a newspaper that he can repair air conditions by visiting homes and offices. Ratan has advertised in a newspaper that he can repair air condition by visiting homes and offices. As his service is quality, number of customers who obtain his service has increased. Number of customers who obtain his service has increased. He joined his friend Kugan as a manager of his business on 1st January 2019 for the monthly salary. Lama issued monthly salary of 15,000. And he hired 2 employees, 10,000 monthly salary basis. 10,000 monthly salary basis. And then here, the balances of Ratan business on 1st January 2019 are as follows. These are the balances on 1st January 2019. Repairing equipment, cash balance, furniture, debtors, and then accrued rent. And then following transactions were carried out during the month ended 31st January 2019. These are the transactions occurred during the month of January. Right. What are the transactions? Income receiving from repairing, transport expenses for repairing, electricity charges paid, advertising, rent paid. And then telephone charges 2,000 is to be paid. Need to pay. Next one. Ratan purchased the equipment for 80,000 for Jet Company from Jet Company on 1st January 2019. Ratan has purchased the equipment, right? And then furniture and equipment should be depreciated 12% annually. Annual depreciation rate 12%. Annual depreciation rate. Next one. Ratan has an idea to conduct training classes to interested youth in future and decided to join Kugan as a partner. Finally, here decided to Kugan as a partner. Then that business becomes a partnership business. Become a partnership business organization. And then Ratan has an idea to conduct a training classes to interested youths in future and decided to join Kugan. Okay, management function planning. Decided to join Kugan as a partner. Right. Problem number 1. A. Name the classification of Ratan business based on ownership. Right. How to classify this business based on ownership? Shenaya, what's the answer, Shenaya?
Sole proprietorship.
Yes. Classification, Ratan business based on ownership. Yes. Based on ownership? Yes. Based on ownership. Sole proprietorship, what's the answer?
Sir, I wrote private sector business.
Yes. Better write down private sector. Ownership, based on ownership, private sector. Private sector business organization. Okay, you can write down private sector sole proprietorship. Okay, private sector sole proprietorship business organization. Right. Now we have 5 methods to classify business. We have 5 methods to classify business organization. We have 5 methods. What are the 5 methods to classify business organization? Now, what are the 5 methods? Based on ownership. Private sector and public sector. Based on ownership. And then the students, based on objective. Profit oriented than non-profit oriented. Profit and non-profit. And then based on scale, how to classify? Based on scale, how to classify? Small and medium scale business and large scale business. Small and medium scale business and large scale business. Based on scale. Next one. Fourth one is what? Fourth one. We have discussed based on the type of business. Based on the type. Fourth one we'll take like based on the nature of the product. Based on the nature of the product. How to classify based on the nature of the product? Commodity manufacturing business and commodity manufacturing business and service providing business. Service providing business. Commodity manufacturing business and service providing business. And then fifth one is based on the type of product. Based on the type. Based on the type. The type of business. Type of business are sole proprietorship, partnership, incorporated company, cooperative society, other associations, government department, government corporations, state companies, government companies, likewise, based on the type of business. Shania, clear, Shania?
Yes, sir.
Great, right. We have 5 methods. Okay, normally in chapter 3, grade 10, it discuss only 3 methods, but based on the nature of the product, the classification of business discussed in chapter 1, grade 10. Chapter 1, grade 10. And then type of business. Most of the time, examiner asks you to write down type of business. Type is sole proprietorship, partnership, incorporated company, or cooperative writing type of business. Then you will write down the name of the business. Type. These are the different methods that we can use to classify a business organization. Right. Manha. Is it clear, Manha?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Right. Right. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
And then they want here, better write down based on ownership, private sector business. Private sector, write down private sector, sole proprietorship business. Private sector, sole proprietorship business. Right. Next one. Is Ratan business a service providing business or a good providing business? Provide 2 characteristics of business you have stated. What is the business? What's the nature of the business? Based on the nature of the product, service providing or commodity manufacturing. What's the answer for the question number Roman number 1 part Roman number 1B? Lagdi, what's the answer, Lagdi?
Service providing.
Yes, very good. Service providing business. Service providing business organization, right? And then you will write down. You will write down. 2 characteristics of business you have stated. Now, 2 characteristics. Two characteristics. One of the characteristics. One is providing an intangible product. Intangible. Okay. Service is intangible. Service is intangible. Right now, service is intangible. And then another one, service cannot store. Service cannot store. Cannot be stored. Oh, cannot be stored. Another one, cannot transport. We can't transport services. And then different from person to person. Different from person to person. Yes, correct. Yes, like this. Different from person to person. Right. Problem number 2. Right. Problem number 2. Provide 4 factors of production used by Ratan business. 4 factors of production. Write down factors of production and provide examples. For the land, the place where the business is located. Right? For the Roman number 2, write down land. And then the place where the business is located, land. Roman number 2, land. And then labor. Labor. Okay. Hire 2 employees. Labor. Hire 2 employees. Labor, write down. Hire 2 employees. Hire 2 employees. Labor. Capital. For the capital. For the capital. Repairing equipment. Capital. Repairing equipment. Capital. For the capital, write down capital dash and then repairing equipment. Furniture. Repairing equipment. Furniture. The shop capital, the shop capital. Okay, right. And then for the entrepreneurship, write down Ratan. Okay, write down entrepreneurship and then write down Ratan. Ratan and his skills. Ratan and his skills. Okay, Ratan and his skills. Ratan. Okay, they're done. Finish. And this is now done. Rishma, okay, Rishma. Lagdil, okay, Lagdil done. Finish, Lagdil.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Ramisha, okay, Ramisha.
Okay, sir.
Apsari, okay, the Apsari.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Right. Next one. Problem number 3. Problem number 3, yes. Problem number 3A. Right, marketing mix variable used by Ratan business. Lama unit write down marketing mix used by Ratan business. At first, Lama unit write down marketing mix. Lama what's the marketing mix? Product, price, place, promotion. Quick write down. Write down the marketing mix at first. Product, price, place, promotion. Okay. Product, price, place, promotion. Then what is a product? In front of product, write down a small example. Product is what? Repairing air conditions. That is the product. Product is repairing air conditions. Product. Okay, for the product. Example right now, repairing air condition. Then our price. For the price. For the price. Charge. Okay. Okay. Fees. Charge for repairing air conditions. Okay. Right. Service charge. Service charge. Service charge of air conditioning machine. Service charge. Service charge. And then my price. So product, price, place. Now my place. How to distribute? The place. Visiting homes and offices. Place. Write down. Visiting homes and place. Visiting homes and offices. For the place, write down. Visiting homes and offices. Visiting homes and offices. Place. Now I need the place means what? Place means what? Place means method of distribution product. The method of distribution product is a place. Right. Product, price, place. Then promotion. Promotion. Advertise in the newspaper. Promotion. Point for the promotion. Advertise in the newspaper. By promotion. Advertise in the newspaper. Promotion. Right. Right. Done. Okay, then finish. Apsari, okay, Apsari.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Hasidu, okay, Hasidu. Right, right. Tell me, okay, tell me, finish, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Right, next one. Problem number 3, part B. State the functions of management related to following statement. Now, functions of management. Appointing of employees by managers belongs to what? Now, appointing employees by manager. What's the answer? Management function is what? Manha. Manha, what is a management function? Tell me what's a management function? Tell me.
Organizing.
Just organizing. Now, what are the functions of management? Planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Those are the functions of management. Those are the functions of management. Okay, then right then. Appointment of employees by managers belongs to organizing. Organizing. Am I creating job roles, assigning tasks, and providing required resources belongs to organizing. Here am I appointment of employees by managers. Okay, belongs to organizing. Organizing. Next one. Next one. Decided to start air condition repair training center. Now, what's the answer for this one? Planning, organizing, leading, controlling. What's the answer, Sonal? Sonal, what's the answer, Sonal? Sonal, what's the answer, Sonal? Right. Anyone else? Ramesha, what's the answer, Ramesha?
Planning.
Yes, planning. Let's do planning. Yes, Sanjali correct. Huh? Sanjali correct. Answer is correct, Sanjali. Right. Right. Next one. Now look at the row number 4. Propose a suitable business form which can be started by Ratan in future. Now, what's the answer for the row number 4A? Hasidu, what's the answer? Hasidu. Hasidu, what's the answer for the row number 4A? Hasidu. Apsari, what's the answer? Apsari. Apsari, what's the answer? Apsari. Yeah, what about Apsari missing? Daham, what's the answer? Daham. Daham. Dilara, what's the answer? Dilara. Lama, can you hear me? Apsari, can you hear me? Apsari?
Yes, sir.
Okay, hindi na done na here. Hurry. What's the answer for this one? Suitable business form which can be done by Ratan in future. What's the answer?
Partnership.
Partnership business. Ratan going to recruit. Ratan going to join Google in future. Partnership business. Partnership business. And next one, 4. Wrong number 4. B. Provide 2 characteristics of the business firm you named in A. Now, some of the characteristics of partnership business organization. Okay. Some of the characteristics of partnership business organization. Characteristics. Members. There should be an agreement. And then minimum 2 members, maximum 20 members. Okay. Some of the characteristics of a partnership business. Some of the characteristics of a partnership business organization. Now page number 31. Page 31. Unlimited liability of owners, not mandatory register, no separate legal identity, no control resistance. Some of the answers. Right. Next one. Problem number 5. What is the value of equity of business 1st January 2019? Now, 1st January 2019, what is the value of equity? Problem number 5. First January 2019. Now, what is the value of equity? Equity how much? How much equity? Disapna. How much equity? Disapna. Disapna. How much equity? Disapna. Shania, how much equity?
160,000.
160,000. Right. We'll see. Right. How much? Hasidu, how much? Hasidu. 160,000. Right. Then what about Shania? How much? Shania. Lakdil, how much? Lakdil?
160,000.
160,000. What is the value of equity on of this business on 1st January 2019? 1st January 2019. Right. The value of equity. Right. Now, 1st January, preparing equipment 80,000. Assets. Cash balance 20,000. Cash 20,000. Furniture 60,000. Debtors 30,000. And then accrued rent. You need to minus. You need to subtract. Accrued rent. You need to minus. Accrued rent. Then how much? How much? 80,000 plus 20,000, 100,000, 160,000, 160, 190, 108,000. Equity. Equity. 109,000. Okay, 180,000. Sorry, 180,000. Now my equity on 1st January 2019 on this date equity. Now is it clear? Clear now? Observe clear.
Yes, sir.
Right, tell me clear. Tell me
Yes, sir.
clear. Right. Now my opening assets minus opening liabilities equity. From the opening assets, you need to minus the opening liabilities. Then you can calculate equity of the business. Okay, equity. Equity as at 1st January. Equity asset 1st January. On that date. Equity on that date. Right. Next one. Next one. Right. Lamai, row number 6A. I need answers. I need answers. Right. Write the transaction which reduces the value of liability. Lamai, what's the answer for the question number 6A? Write a transaction which reduces the value of liability. Lamai, what's the answer?
Rent paid 15,000.
Huh?
Rent paid 15,000.
Yes, very good. Rent paid. Okay, here opening liability of the business, how much? 10,000. And then during the period, business organization paid 15,000 to settle rent. Opening liability settled. Opening liability settled by 10,000. Very good. Huh? Rent paid 15,000. Rent paid 15,000. Rent paid 15,000. Right. Now I then provide the double entry for the above transaction. Now I for the above transaction, you need to provide the double entry. How do I the double entry? For that one, you need to write the double entry. How to write the double entry? We write down double entry like this. Write the value. Provide the double entry for the above. Right. Here we can provide double entry like this. Opening liability how much? Opening liability 10,000. Opening liability 10,000. Okay. Opening liability. This 10,000 rent payable. Rent payable. And then this year you have paid 15,000. Total 15,000. Total 15,000. Dilamai. 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 Opening rent payable how much? 10,000. But we paid on 15,000. In this question, they have paid total 15,000. 10,000 to settle last month unpaid amount. Balance 5,000 for the current month. 10,000 for the last financial year. 10,000 paid to settle the open liability. And balance rate 5,000 paid to settle current month liability. Current month liability. Then how to write the double entry for the transaction? Huh? How to write the double entry? Huh? My rent expense account debit. Rent expense account debit 5,000. And then accrued rent account. Credit 10,000. Debit 10,000. Accrued rent debit 10,000. Cash flow credit 15,000. This is double entry. This is double entry. Rent expense account debit 5,000. Accrued rent account debit 10,000. Cash book credit 15,000. Cash book credit 15,000. That's a double entry. Hasinu play the Hasinu.
Yes, sir.
Deomi, clear.
Yes, sir.
Right. Shanaya, is it clear? Shanaya.
Yes, sir.
Now next transaction. Right. Problem number 6, A done, B done. Problem number 7. Provide journal entries for the approved telephone charges and furniture depreciation. Tamani, journal entries for approved telephone charges and furniture depreciation. Journal entries. Problem number 7. Right, Lamai. For the row number 7, quickly draw a general journal. Right, please start. Okay, they're done. Right, Lama here. Provide journal entries to record accrued telephone charges. Lama, how much accrued telephone charges? Huh? Telephone charges, accrued telephone charges, how much? 2000. 10. What's the double entry of this 2000? Ramesha, what's the double entry? Ramesha, Irishma, what's the double entry? Irishma. Accrued telephone charges 2000. What's the double entry of this 2000? Irishma. Dilhara, what's the double entry? Dilhara. Anyone else? Lagdil. Lagdil. What's the double entry for the accrued telephone charges? Lagdil. Manha, Manha. What's the double entry? Manha. Ramesha, what's the double entry? Ramesha.
Telephone charges account debit, accrued telephone charges account credit.
Yes, very good. Yes, yes, simple. Simple, we have discussed already. Telephone charges account, debit, how much? 2000. Telephone charges account, debit 2000. And then accrued telephone charges, credit 2000. Okay, telephone charges account, debit, accrued telephone charges account, credit. That's the double. Okay, then that's the double entry. Right. And then now you can write down the narration here. You can write down narration, forward the narration. Recording of accrued telephone charges of 2000. Now better write down narration. Recording of accrued telephone charges of 2000. Narration is required. Narration is required. Recording of telephone charges of 2000. Recording of accrued telephone charges of 2000. Recording of accrued telephone charges of 2000. Right, now my next one. The entry is for the accrued and Lamai, then furniture depreciation how much? Furniture depreciation for the period how much? Furniture depreciation how much? Hasil how much? Hasilu. Furniture depreciation how much? 600. Like this 600, is it 600? Furniture.
I think so.
Yes. Lamai, furniture total amount 60,000. And then 60,000 into depreciation rate 12% annually. Depreciation rate 12% annually. 12% annually means annual rate 12%. And then here you need to write down. You will write down for the month of January. For the month of January. Then am I here multiplied by 1 over 12. 1 over 12. 1 over 12 for the month of January. 12, and then am I 600. 600. Okay, 600. Right now, how to pass double entry for the 600? How to pass? How to pass? How to pass? Furniture depreciation account debit. Furniture depreciation account debit 600 accumulated furniture depreciation account. Furniture depreciation account credit 600. This is double entry. Furniture depreciation account debit, accrued furniture depreciation account credit. So no, not accrued. Yes. Accumulated. Sorry, accumulated furniture depreciation account credit. Accumulated furniture depreciation account credit. Right. Next one, Amai. Is it okay? Done. Finish. Lagdil finish. Lagdil.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Disasna okay there. Dilan okay. Daham okay. Daham.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Hari. Ramesha. Okay, Ramesha.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Now, Roman number 8. Roman number 8A. Calculate the cash balance as of 31st January. My cash balance. Calculate the cash balance. Prepare the cash book. Roman number 8A. Roman number 8A. Roman number 8A. Here. Calculate the cash balance. Cash balance. When am I cash book? Cash book. Cash book. Now I try to prepare the cash. If you haven't done the cash book, try to prepare the cash book. Take 1 minute. 1 minute. Try to do something for the cash book. Right. Now we'll do the cash flow. Right. He started an air conditioner repairing business on 1st January 18 by renting out a small shop on monthly rental basis 5,000. Hakan has advertised in the newspaper that can repair air conditioning by visiting home and offices. As his service is quality, number of customers who obtain his services has increased. He joined his friend Hogan as a manager for the monthly salary of 15,000 and hired two employees 10,000 monthly salary basis. Right. The balances of other business for January 19. These are the balances. Repair equipment, cash. Cash balance opening, cash book opening balance, cash balance. 20,000 opening cash book balance. Period calculate closing cash balance. Opening cash balance 20,000. And then 11 repair equipment, cash balance, furniture, debtors, accrue rent, right? Done. Next one. The following transaction were carried out during the month. What are transaction? Income received from repair. Income. Service income. 30,000. 30,000. Sorry, 150,000. 150,000. Service income. And then transport expense for repair. Transport 30,000. Transport 30,000. Electricity charges paid 5,000. Electricity charges. Electricity charges paid 5,000. Electricity 5,000. Advertising 6,000. Advertising 6,000. Rent paid 15,000. Rent paid. Now paid amount of rent 15,000. And then telephone charges 2,000 is to be paid. Rather purchase the equipment of 8,000 from the jet company on 1st January. Right. Right. Am I right? Cash book closing balance. You can calculate. How much closing cash balance of cash book? 170,000. 170,000 minus these payments. Closing cash balance how much? Come on. How much closing cash balance? Shania, how much Shania?
114,000.
140?
114,000.
140,000, right? Yes, 140,000. You answer is correct or wrong? Ramisha. Right. Next one. Last day I told you to do the question at home. I can't give you much time. Quickly you need to complete the answer. Right. Right. Ramai, next one. Roman number 3 part B. Sorry, Roman number 8 part B. Right, what's the answer? Roman number 8 part B. Write the primary book required to record the equipment purchased from jet business. Ramai, what's the answer for this one? Irishma, what's the answer? Irishma. Madesh, what's the answer? Madesh. Then what about Hasidu? Hasidu?
Purchasing.
No, not only purchase here. Equipment purchasing. First answer. From Jet Company. First answer. Upside
Jet
versus
Journal.
Yeah. Yeah.
General.
Yeah. Yes. My answer is General Journal.
General.
Purchase of non-current assets on credit basis. General Journal. Answer is General Journal. You can record this one in the purchase journal. Here, purchase of fixed asset, non-current assets. Right. Right, done, finished. Telamai, quickly write down answer for this one. Write one example for following type of accounts. One example you need to give. You need to mention one example. Equity account. Write one example. Write equity account, one example. My capital account. Capital account, not Robbie's account. Just tell me correct, huh? Takdil correct. Equity account, neither. My capital account. One of the income account.
Received.
Sorry, Lama here. Write one extra. Oh, the oh yes. Example, yes. Example, right. Income account. Huh? Lama. Service income account. Service income account. Asset account, Lama. Furniture account, equipment account, asset account. Liability account. Lama liability account. Huh? Approved telephone charges account. Or telephone charges payable account. Approved telephone charges account or telephone charges payable account. Answer for the question number 9. Right. Next one. Calculate the profit or loss of the Ratan business. Now you need to calculate the profit or loss. How much the profit of the business? Hamisha, how much the profit of your answer? Hamisha.
Sir, I didn't do the last one.
Last one. Very good. Right. Then what about Shenaya? Profit is how much, Shenaya?
94,000.
Huh?
94,000.
94,000. Right. Right. Hashindu, what's the profit? Hashindu.
$4,000.
Right. Now I quickly will do a profit of business. Now then you need to draw small profit and loss statement to provide answer for this question. Right. Now quickly we will calculate the profit. One of the important part of this question is preparing profit and loss statement. Now please practice preparing cash book and profit and loss statement. In each question, okay, in each first question of the second paper, you need to calculate cash book balance as well as you need to
-2.
calculate profit of the business. Okay then. Okay, right. Therefore, please practice. Please practice answers for cash book and profit and loss account. Very important. Right. Quickly, we will calculate profit of the business. Calculate the net profit of the Ratan business for January 2009. Right. Okay, for the January month. Right. Now, Roman number 10. Roman number 10. Number 10. Yeah, income minus expenses, huh? Income minus expenses. Income minus expenses. Then no need to draw, sales minus cost of sales. Likewise, no need to draw that one. Okay, structured format of profit and loss statement. Yes, income minus expenses. Income minus expenses. Right. Shall we start? Shall we start, Madesh? Shall we start? Right. Irishma, shall we start? Irishma. Ramesha, shall we start? Ramesha?
Sir,
Okay, right. Will you start, huh? Okay, right. Right, Lamai, read the first paragraph. Prathan has successfully completed course regarding repairing air condition machines because he has not obtained the university chance to enter in he has not obtained university entrance after A-level. He started an air condition repairing machine on 1st January 2018 by renting out a small shop on monthly rent basis of 5,000. Then monthly rent 5,000. We are preparing, we are calculating profit or loss for the month of January. For the month of January 2019. Then monthly rent how much? 5,000. Ramai, we need to prepare profit and loss statement based on accrual basis. Relevant income and relevant expense should be recorded. Then monthly rent 5,000. Then monthly rent you need to write down here. Relevant rent expense for the period 5,000. Then here write down rent 5,000. Whether we paid or not. Whether we paid or not, relevant expense we need to record. Whether we paid or not, relevant expense for the period should be recorded. Relevant amount. Okay, ne? Whether we paid or not, relevant rent expense for the period 5,000. Is it clear? Disatna, is it clear? Disatna. Clear, right? Apsari clear, Apsari?
Yes, sir.
Dilhara clear, Dilhara? Clear, Dilhara?
yes.
Right, next one. Read this para. Relevant income, relevant expenses, right? Prathan has advertised in a newspaper that he can repair air condition by visiting homes and offices. As his service is quality, number of customers who obtained his service has increased. He joined his friend Kogan as a manager of his business on 1st January 2019 for monthly rent of 50,000. Kogan monthly salary 15,000. Relevant monthly salary of Kogan 15,000. And then he hired 2 employees 10,000 monthly salary basis. Now here we will consider 10,000 for each employee. Yeah. Okay, 10,000 as we will consider here 10,000 as per employee 10,000. Not for both. For each employee 10,000. Tell my Google salary 15,000 and then employee salary 10,000 into 2 20,000. We consider each employee receive 10,000. Tell my 2 employees ne 2 employees 10 2 employees, therefore 10,000 into 2, 20,000. Then my total salary, how much? Total salary 35,000 total salary. Total salary 35,000. Then here write down salary 35,000. Salary. Clear that? Okay then. Salary 35,000. Is it clear? Manha, is it clear? Manha.
Yes, yes, sir.
Hasidu, clear? Hasidu?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Next one. Next one. Right, Lamai, and then these are the opening balances. No need to write down the opening balances, repair equipment opening balance, cash balance, furniture, debtors, right? No need to record. Accrued rent, no need to record. And then Lamai, the following transactions were carried out during the month of January. These are the transactions. What are the transactions? Income received from repairing. Service income 150,000. Service income. Then service income. Then Lamai, service income 150,000. Service income. Service income 150,000. Service income. Transport expense 30,000. Expense transport. Transport expense 30,000. Transport expense 30,000. Transport. Transport expense 30,000. And then electricity charges paid 5,000. Electricity. Relevant electricity expense for the period based on accrual concept. Electricity. Electricity 5,000. Relevant electricity for the period 5,000. Advertising 6,000. Advertising. Advertising 6,000. Advertising. Rent paid. No need to record rent paid. Right? Relevant rent expense already we have recorded. Therefore, no need to record again rent paid. Next one, Amai. Next one. Telephone charges 2,000. Telephone charges, relevant expense paid or not, you need to record relevant expense for the period. Telephone charges. Telephone charges 2,000. And then my next one. Furniture and equipment. Furniture and equipment should be depreciated 12% annually. You need to calculate furniture depreciation and equipment depreciation for the month of January. For the month of January. Here am I. Furniture depreciation, furniture depreciation 60,000 into 12% into 1/2. Already we have calculated 600. Furniture depreciation 600. Furniture depreciation 600. Furniture depreciation. And the next one, equipment depreciation. Now, equipment, opening, repairing equipment, 80,000. Opening, repairing equipment, opening, repairing equipment, 80,000. And then they have purchased, Ratan purchased equipment, 80,000 from Jet Company on 1st January. Ratan purchased equipment. Right? That 80,000, Ratan has purchased. That 80,000 is not the opening one. New equipment. It should be Ratan purchase equipment. Here it should be purchase one. Purchase one is 80,000. Opening balance is 80,000 equipment, and then my purchase equipment that should be 80,000. Here now, opening balances. In the opening balances, they are properly mentioned balances available in this day. Balance of other business as a question, opening balances. Okay, Lama, this one should be opening balances. Opening balances of this is opening balances. Okay, question is not clear. Question is not clear. We will consider this one as opening balances. And then here they have purchased new equipment on 1st January again. Then total equipment how much? 160,000. We'll consider like that. Now in the examiner will give you clear information. Okay, in the exam, my examiners will give you clear information. Here they haven't mentioned properly. Okay, whether this 80,000 is opening balance or neither newly purchased equipment. We'll consider this one as newly purchased equipment. And this 80,000 repair equipment opening balance. Then total repair equipment 160,000. 160,000 into 12% into 6 over is into 1 over 12. 1 over 12. 1,600. 1,600, right. Equipment depreciation 1,600. Right. 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 Now right done. Right. Now quickly calculate the profit of the business. How much profit? How much profit? How much profit? Give me profit of the business. How much profit? Now my total expenses how much? Shana, total expenses how much?
83,000.
83,000.
82,000.
Here total expenses no. Tell me how much the total expenses. Tell me.
$85,200.
Yes, sir. Yes, 85,200. Ne? And then I quickly calculate the profit of the business, profit or loss. How much the profit of the business? How much? Right. 64,800. Next 64,800. 64,800 net profit. Okay, then done. Finish. I'm sorry, done. Finish. I'm sorry. Down. Okay, down. Finish it. Down.
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Dilhara, you are Dilhara.
Yes, sir.
Right. Disapna, okay, Disapna, finish. Right, Madesh, okay, the Madesh. Manha, finish or not, Manha.
Finish, sir.
Ramesh, okay, the Ramesha.
Okay, sir.
Temi, okay, the Temi.
Okay, sir.
Sonal, okay, the Sonal, you are the Sonal. Done. Right, Ramay, yes, right. Right, quickly, we will take 10 minutes break, huh? Again, we will start at 9:30. Ramay, shall we discuss, I think I can discuss question number 2 or question number 5. I can discuss question number 2, business studies question or question number 5, accounting question. What do you want at first? Send me a message, huh? Send me a message. If you want to discuss BS, right? Today, around 9, right? Around 10 o'clock, 10, around 10:50, we need to finish the class. Therefore, what do you want to discuss? Question number 2 or question number 5? Send me a message, huh? Okay, right, right. Okay. Now we'll discuss question number 5. Very good, huh? Right. We'll discuss question number 5. Accounting. Right. Lamai, take 10 minutes break. We'll start. Okay, Shana, we'll start. We will discuss question 5. Huh? Right. Take 10 minutes break. After 10 minutes break, we'll start again. Huh? Right. Lamai, if you have, if you can, try to do question number 5. Try to do something for question number 5. Right. Lamai, we'll start question number 5. Right. We discuss question number 1 done. Question number 1 we have discussed. Then we look at accounting part. Question number 1 done. Now we will move into question number 5. Huh? Question 5. Right. Right. Problem number 1A. How can exchange of resources between a business and other parties be called? What's the answer for the first one? Roman number 5. Sorry, question number 5. Roman number 1A. What's the answer for this one? Exchange of resources between a business and other parties. What's the answer for this one?
Transaction.
Yes, transaction. That is called transaction. Okay, transaction. That is not trade. That is exchange of resources between business and other parties. That is called transaction. Transaction, huh? Transaction. Right, next one. What kind of transaction is considered in accounting? What's the answer for the part B? What kind of transaction considered in accounting?
Cash basis accounting. Cash basis transaction.
Ramesha, it is not clear.
Cash basis transactions.
Yes, yes, cash based, no. No, credit basis transaction also we record ne? Credit basis transactions, right, ne? Can also be recorded. What kind of transactions? No. Now I go to grade 10. Now if you have the grade 10 textbook, go to grade 10 textbook, chapter 4. Chapter 4. Now I look at introduction to double entry system, introduction to accounting. Now I go to page number 49, grade 10 textbook. Grade 10 textbook, page number 49. Look at this one. Right here, transactions can be identified as an exchange of resources between business and other parties. Now, meaning of transaction. And then here, I think you have highlighted. You may have highlighted, now, right? Among those transactions, the transaction of which their value can be measured in terms of money are considered in account. Transactions which can be measured in terms of money considered in account. Clear? This is not clear. This is not, is it clear? Okay, Dilhara, clear. Okay, transactions which can be measured in terms of money. Now, employees' experience we can't record. Okay, experience of employees we can't record. Why? We can't measure the financial value. Another one, a good name of the business we can't record. Why? We can't measure the value of good name of the business. Goodwill we can't measure. Okay, then transactions and events which can be measured in terms of money considered in account. Okay, right. Quick write down now. Transactions which can be measured in terms of money considered in account. Right. Now look at the Roman number 2. Roman number 2. Some assets of the business are given below. Debtors, right. Categorize of the above item under following headings: current assets, non-current assets. Right. Now I quickly categorize. You know. Okay, you can do this one. Debtors, current assets. Cash balance, current assets. Motor vehicle, non-current assets. Equipment, non-current assets. Stocks, current assets. Accrued income, current assets. Furniture, non-current. Machines, non-current. Simple question, huh? Now my bonus marks. Bonus marks, huh? Bonus marks. Right. Clear? Okay, right. Next one. Right. Am I? Roman number 3. Record this transaction in accounting equation. Have you done this one? Have you done? Tamai, do you want to discuss this one? Accounting equation? Tamai, discussion only. Apsara, do you want to discuss this one? Accounting equation? One of these is equation. Daham? Dilhar, do you want to discuss? Hasilu? Discuss only the Hasilu. Ragdev?
No, sir.
No, no need. Lenora, do you want to discuss?
No, sir.
Right. Madesh, do you want to discuss? Manha? No need, ne? Right. Devi, do you want to discuss this one? This equation question? Tell me. Sonar? Yes or no? Right. Come on, ne? On, ne? Right. Now I want you to discuss, huh? You can do, huh? Right. If you want to discuss, quickly send me a message, huh? Then we can discuss. Right. No, ne? Right. Now I will move to next one. At first, you will write down opening balances, then you can do the question. Okay, right. Lenora, do you want to discuss? Problem number 3. Lenora.
No, sir.
No, right. 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 Lamai, go to question number 4. Problem number 4. Record the above transactions in the relevant journal. Here, details of credit sales are details of credit sales. Then you need to prepare what? You need to prepare. Lamai, what do you want to prepare here? Lamai, what do you want to prepare? Yes, sales journal. Prepare the sales journal for this transaction. For this table. Sales journal, date, invoice number, customer, amount, LF. Amount LF. You need to mention the total amount. A discount deducted total amount you need to mention. Problem number 4A. Problem number 4A. Problem number 4A. Simple question. Okay, sales journal. Simple question. Sales journal, date, invoice number, and then customer, amount, and then LF. LFO LP. LFO LP. Simple question, huh? 10th June, 22nd June, invoice number 201, 301, Geetanjali, Kavitanjali. And then 10 t-shirts, each 500. Total amount how much? 5,000. 5,000. Then 5,000 minus 10% trade discount. 500 minus, then how much? 4,500. Amount 4,500. Kavitanjali, 20 t-shirts, 600 each. 26 t-shirts, 600 each. How much? 12,000. 12,000 minus 5% trade discount. 1,200, 600. 600 minus. Then 11,400. 11,400. Simple, huh? Right. Then here, total amount. Then here, creditor to sales account. Right. A simple question. Creditor to sales account. Right. Okay, creditor to sales account. Right. Now, part B. Part B. Prepare the correct trial balance. Now, have you done part B? Preparation of trial balance. Is it equal? Part B. Trial balance. Is it equal? Lama, do you want to prepare the trial balance? Shall I do? Abhi ek Bermuda only the. All right, right. We'll do, right. Trial balance. Part B. Right, trial balance. Right. Now, cash balance, asset में cash balance, asset debit side, cash. Cash debit side, 50,000 assets. Cash. Investment, investment asset में investment assets 200,000. Investment lamai cash book credit investment account debit. Cash book credit investment account debit. Investment assets. Equipment assets. Equipment assets 75,000. Right, next one. Miscellaneous income. Lamai miscellaneous income. Miscellaneous income credit side. Cash book debit. Income account credit. Income credit. Lamai credit side. Miscellaneous income credit side. Rent. We'll consider rent as rent expense. Rent 8,000 debit side. Rent 8,000 expense. Land and building 100,000 assets. Land and building. Land and building 100,000 assets. Purchases debit side. Yes, purchases. Purchases 50,000 assets side. Purchases. Sales are sales credit side. Cash book debit. Sales account credit ne 262,000 sales credit. Sales and credit. Sales. Capital 250,000 credit side capital. Our capital 250,000. Capital in credit side ne cash book debit capital account credit. Salary how much? Salary 8,000 rupees. Salary. Salary 8,000 rupees. Now discount received credit side. No, the discount received was double entry. Creditors account debit. Discount received account credit. Discount received credit side. Discount received. Discount received 2,000 credit side. Next one. Creditors 12,000 creditors. Creditors liability credit side. Creditors liability 12,000 credit side. Debtors assets. Debtors 40,000 assets. Right. Lamai. Is it balance? This trial balance prepared by accountant clerk. This trial balance prepared by accountant clerk. Therefore, sometimes you may have to transfer one of the balance to suspense account. Sometimes you may have to transfer one of the balance to suspense account. Now I check whether it is balance or not. Balance quickly checks the question whether it is balance or not. Right, is it balance? Balance or not? Credit side total amount 3,000, 262, 250, 2,000 plus 12,000. 529,000. Credit side total amount 529,000. Debit side how much? Same amount. 75,000. Alright. Credit side total amount how much? Credit side total amount 529,000. But debit side total amount 505,000 ne. Debit side total amount, credit side total amount 529,000. Now my debit side total amount 505,000. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, right. Then we will transfer difference to suspense account. Higher side of the balance credit side ne, then transfer that amount to debit side. 529,000. Otherwise, we don't have any method to balance the higher balance. Then our difference is how much? Difference is 24,000 difference. Then our 24,000 transfer suspense account. Suspense account debit 24,000. Suspense account debit 24,000. Okay then? Okay then. Clear? Now here, prepare suspense account. To that line, you need to transfer difference 24,000. Okay then? Right, done. Finish. Labdil, is it clear, Labdil?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Sonal, okay, Sonal? Right. Disapna, okay, Disapna. Right. Manha, okay, the Manha.
Okay, sir.
Right, right. Hi, otherwise we don't have any method to balance this one, huh? Right. Ramisha, okay, Ramisha? Shana, okay, there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, right.
Okay,
Right.
sir.
Okay, right. So, Lamai, finish up for the day. Lamai, try to next day, Lamai, if you have time, try to complete question number 6 and 7. Try to do question number 6 and 7 as well as other questions. Next day, at first, we will do question number 2 and then we will do question number 6. Okay, and then we will do question number 6. Right, right. Anyway, Lamai, we need to complete this paper next Thursday, huh? Next Thursday. Right. Then we'll stop for the day. Right. Good night, huh? Good night.